Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're seeing that something went wrong, error on Instagram while using your PC, don't worry, we'll help you fix it. So let's get started. First, refresh the page. Sometimes simply refreshing the browser can resolve the minor issues. Press F5 on your keyboard or click the refresh button in your browser to reload the page. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. Cached data and cookies can sometimes cause issues with websites functionally. Here's how you can clear them. For Google Chrome, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner, go to More Tools and select Clear Browsing Data. Choose a time range, select cookies and other site data and cached images, files, then click Clear Data. Ensure your browser is up to date. An outdated browser might cause compatibility issues with Instagram. Check for updates in your browser settings and install any available updates. Try using a different browser if you experience issues in Chrome. For instance, try accessing Instagram in Firefox, Edge or any other browser. Sometimes the issue might be browser specific. Next, check internet connection. Ensure you have a stable and strong connection. You can try restarting your router or switching to a different network to see if that resolves the issue. Lastly, if none of these steps work, it might be a temporary issue on Instagram's end. We hope these steps help you fix the something went wrong error on Instagram when you're using your PC. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.